The Good Pedophiles Go Feet First in the Woodchipper Satirical t-shirt is a bold statement piece for those who appreciate dark humor and satire. Designed to push boundaries while making a provocative statement, this t-shirt is perfect for fans of edgy, conversation-starting fashion. Its graphic design is printed with high-quality inks that ensure long-lasting vibrancy and clarity, making every detail of the illustration sharp and eye-catching. The shirt's satirical nature challenges social norms and prompts discussion, making it not just a piece of clothing but also a platform for commentary. The design balances shock value with humor, appealing to a niche audience that enjoys ironic and thought-provoking apparel. Whether you're wearing it to a casual gathering, a party, or just around town, this t-shirt guarantees attention and sparks reactions. Good Pedophiles Go Feet First in the Woodchipper Satirical t-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women. Make a statement with our satirical Good Pedophiles Go Feet First t-shirt. Embrace dark humor with our Good Pedophiles Go Feet First satirical sweatshirt. Stand out with our satirical Good Pedophiles Go Feet First tank top. Bold humor meets style. Stand out with our satirical tee. Good Pedophiles Go Feet First. Perfect for bold statements. Make a statement with our satirical hoodie. Good Pedophiles Go Feet First in the Woodchipper. Stand out with our edgy Good Pedophiles Go Feet First satirical t-shirt. Crafted Good Pedophiles Go Feet First in the Woodchipper Satirical t-shirt. 100% premium cotton, made in the United States. This t-shirt offers superior comfort and durability. The soft, breathable fabric ensures all-day wearability, while the precise stitching and high-quality construction make it a reliable addition to any wardrobe. Available in various sizes, it provides a flattering fit for all body types, maintaining both style and comfort. This satirical t-shirt is not only visually striking but also practical, making it an ideal gift for someone with a bold sense of humor. Machine washable and easy to care for, it retains its shape and color even after repeated washing. With its combination of edgy design, high-quality material, and comfortable fit, the Good Pedophiles Go Feet First in the Woodchipper Satirical t-shirt is a statement piece that blends fashion, satire, and quality craftsmanship seamlessly. Other product